printing out some clips. These are to go on this wiring loom. There's a test piece. To hold that up. Because the ones that come with the Creality 5 Plus are too small to go around here. But these new ones will be okay. I only have red filament, so that's to clip that up a bit. Well, I was hoping I'd catch this unusual noise on these printers. It's just by chance. Sometimes it happens and sometimes it doesn't happen. I wonder if I can fake it. I might be able to fake it. Let's have a look. Can you hear that? And what it is, it's actually the spool. It took me a bit to find out, but it's the spool rubbing against the edge. There's no real biggish washer in there or anything, I don't think. There's a little bit of a lip there, but that's almost like a beam here, which has these parts sticking out this way. I wonder if I could turn that round actually. Have the parts sticking out the other way. It might be better, mightn't it? Yeah. No reason why not, I don't think. But that's what it is. It's the edge of the spool here, which in this case has this pattern on. See? Hear that? Hopefully you can hear that over the printer. Rubbing against this edge in here. So it's nothing major to worry about if you hear that noise. I was getting a bit worried there when I first heard it. I'll probably put my own spool on here anyway, my own. It's in bearings, skateboard bearings, and it can turn. Because this one can't turn, it just rolls around on there. So sometimes if it's doing it a lot, you can move the spool forward if you've got yours bracket on the way I have. But I would suggest you want to turn the bracket round if that's happening. I think that should be okay, just turning the bracket round. Yep, so did you hear that noise there? Yes, it's the spool catching on that bracket. So I'll have to turn that bracket round. I don't like this spool this way round because I can't see how much filament's left on it unless I'm looking from the side. And I think I have seen other people mount the spools on the outside, so to speak. I'm not sure how to do that. Have to think about this. Because obviously the only way I can tell, you know, with one like this, which is like all blanked in. I have seen clear ones, totally clear ones by the way. And those are ideal because then you can see the filament is left, how much is left. Yes, it's got filament run out, but those aren't ideal because the way I understand it is that the bed temperature will drop when you get the filament run out message. And that will mean that parts will probably come off the bed, as I showed in the previous video. So these are the clips, as I say, to go on this tube here. There's one of them that I did earlier as a test piece.